In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share events on Google Calendar. Whether you're coordinating a meeting, planning a party, or setting up any other type of event, knowing how to effectively share it with others can save you a lot of time and ensure everyone is on the same page. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open your Google Calendar. If you're not already familiar with Google Calendar, you can easily find it with a quick search, or you might have it integrated with your Gmail account under the Apps section. Once you're in, your calendar will be displayed in front of you, showing all your planned events. Now, to either create a new event or modify an existing one, you have a couple of options. If you're creating something new, click on the Create button, usually found on the top left corner of the screen. However, since we're focusing on sharing, let's assume you want to share an event that you've already set up. Simply navigate to the specific event on your calendar and give it a click. For the next step, once you have the event details open, look for the pencil icon. This is the Edit button. Clicking on it will allow you to make changes to your event, including sharing it with others. You'll notice a range of options, but for now, let's focus on the Add Guests section. This is typically found on the right side of the screen. Here, you can type in the email addresses of anyone you'd like to invite to your event. Google Calendar makes it simple by allowing you to add multiple guests by typing their email addresses and separating them with commas. Once you've added all the desired guests, it's important to save the changes you've made to this event. Click on the Save button, usually positioned at the top of the event window. Immediately after saving, a prompt will appear asking if you want to send invitations to your guests. Clicking Send will distribute these invites to everyone on your list. Finally, your invitees will receive an email with all the event details. From there, they can easily RSVP directly through their inbox. It's as simple as that, and it helps ensure everyone knows exactly when and where the event is taking place without the need for endless email chains or back and forth messaging. By following these steps, you're sure to keep your events organized and everyone in the loop. Sharing events on Google Calendar is a straightforward process, yet it's incredibly effective for personal and professional use. Thanks for tuning in and happy scheduling.